Typically, in a View app, you would have one title for every page. So whether you're in the home page or you're in the About page, the title doesn't change. But what if you want to have a dynamic title for each page? So when you go to the home page, it shows home, but when you go to the About page, it shows About. That's what we're going to be implementing in this video. So let's go ahead into our code. In our View app, we want to head into the router folder and click on the index. And while we're here, we want to do this for every route we have in our index. So for the home route, under the component, I want to add another property. So this is going to be the meta property, and this is going to be an object with a property of title. And I want to set this to home on the home page. Now, this can be whatever you want it to be, and it can also be dynamic in some ways, but that is totally up to you. And for the about page, I'm going to be doing the same thing and setting the meta and adding a title property and setting it to about. Now that we've done this, we want to come here under the router here, outside of the router here, and under it here, we want to use the before each method. So it's router dot before each, and here we want to get access to the to and to the from. We're not really going to be using the from, just the to. And in this callback function, we want to set each page's title. So before each page, we want to set that title. So just going to be doing this by calling document dot title and setting this equal to, this is going to be a string interpolation, by the way. So we're going to be setting this to 2 dot matter dot title. So this is what we set here, and we would save. And when we come back to our app, as you can see here, the title for the about page is about. Same thing when we go to the home page. The title for the home page is home. That's how easy it is to implement. I hope you found this video helpful. Do leave a like and thank you.